Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.